Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I have something special for you today. This absolutely beautiful 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8. This only has 15,981 miles at the time of making this video. Very low miles for 2010. Most people drive between 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. Clearly this vehicle was a secondary vehicle that was for pleasure, not a daily driver with such low miles, and its condition more than reflects that. And it has a few extra nice features. It has this excellent Hemis shifter. Feels like it also has an aftermarket clutch, Mopar exhaust system, and the biggest thing is a Vortec Supercharger. I have to do some more research on the Vortec Supercharger, but my guess is probably adds at least 50 to 100 horsepower to the vehicle. I've driven it about 20-30 miles. I'm one of the buyers here. I bought this one and I drove it back to the dealership, and it definitely feels like it's a lot more horsepower than the stock. I think it's 425 horsepower as a stock horsepower on the SRT8. It feels close to 500 to me. Obviously you'd have to dyno test it to find out for sure. This one has pass through service department with flying colors, no recommendations. So all it needs now is a new home, and it comes with a 5-day 100% money back guarantee, which is definitely a nice perk. You don't get that too many days, especially in a vehicle like this, but we want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle that you buy from us. Excellent sounding exhaust system. Definitely enhances the sound, but not too loud to be obnoxious. Really nice color combination on black leather and suede. Of course, the condition of the leather is very good with such low miles. Really looks nice in black. The nice thing about the Challenger is that really 2017s and 18s don't really look that different than a 2010. Obviously, to someone who's a little bit more seasoned in the differences in the Challengers, they could probably tell, but most people wouldn't be able to tell this from probably a newer Challenger versus a 2010. This one is in beautiful shape. Brembo brakes, Alcoa forged aluminum wheels. Obviously, Dodge gives the SRT8 Challengers all top shelf components from the Mopar part bin. There is a Vortec Supercharger. And one thing I like about the Challenger, I'm 6'2", so I'm a little bit bigger than most average guys, is that I'm very comfortable in this Challenger. Some of the other retro muscle cars, which I like a lot, like the Camaro and the Mustang, they're kind of more on the sportier end, so they're smaller. You're a little bit more cramped and claustrophobic in the interior, where this Challenger actually feels like a real muscle car of the old days. Muscle cars from the 60s and 70s, they were rather large vehicles, and being built on a full-size car platform. It's based on the Chrysler 300/Dodge Charger platform. It's still a full-size vehicle in coupe form, so you have a nice spacious interior, very comfortable for all-day driving, a great touring vehicle, but with that excellent rear-wheel drive platform with Mercedes-Benz engineering, it still can handle very nicely for a large vehicle, and of course with all that power, it is very fast in a straight line. If you happen to be an out-of-state customer, we have experience selling cars and trucks all over the country. We can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US. We do it all the time. Contact us for more details, and we'll be happy to get you a complimentary shipping quote. This one is a clean Carfax vehicle from the West Coast. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all with the condition. It's beautiful.